Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute, and it's probably been longer than a minute actually, but came down with COVID, which has really kicked me in the butt. My wife got it, and then she lovingly gave it to me. Why not share things? Our 33rd anniversary is the end of this month, so the 22nd. So, hey, what a great Christmas gift. But anyway, it put me down for a month. You know, I was off work over 3 weeks, and then just no enthusiasm, no drive to do anything. So we're finally back at it. Actually, this is the first I've been out in the garage. I got some ideas of stuff that I want to work on, stuff that I want to do, and so I just figured I'd give you a little heads up of what's been happening. I know I put something on the community, and I just kind of let everybody know. I just haven't been enthused about doing anything. So we are back out here. I'm working on a firewall. I'm not a fabricator, so this takes me 7 times longer than anybody with a half a brain. So I just figured I'd catch you guys up on what's happening. There's another part of the video that's gonna go, and then the new stuff will go into it. So I don't know, it'll be a mosh posh of whatever. For anybody that does watch it, thanks for watching it, and let's get back to it. Well, here's our beautiful firewall. Sorry, I'm sitting on the cross member, so I know it's kind of close, but I'm gonna cut here we go, this here along this line down, leaving this will get cut here, and this needs to get trimmed out so the valve covers will come off. And then I think I'm going to cut this way, up and over, down. Now this down here needs to drop down a little bit further, because this piece of the floor comes up on an angle like this and it hits the block. So it needs to get cut, and then it'll be straightened out, so it'll come up, you know, behind here. If you think I have a clue, no, I don't. But I figured I would show you the before and what we're going to do here. And yeah, I'm going to start cutting. So wish me luck. Okay, so what I started doing before I got sick, and what I am doing is I'm trying to make this look symmetrical, this opening here, because I need to come over to here anyway. So I'm going to cut along this black line. I'm going to cut all this out, and then this below it I'm going to get rid of, and I'm going to put a flat piece welded along this arc that'll take it back, and then the upright part of the firewall will weld to that. What I'm doing over there I don't know yet, but I'm kind of working on this so you guys kind of get an idea of what I'm doing. So I'm going to cut this out here, get that cut, and try to cut along the top, get that cut out so I can measure what I need. And then later today, I'm going to get this piece right down next to you. This piece here, a friend of mine's got a step shear. So what we're gonna do is cut this like a strip, what I need to make that top piece. It'll be a lot easier than sitting there trying to cut it with a cut-off wheel. It'll be nice and straight. I can start to tack it and bend it and kind of shape it into here, you know, and do what I'm doing. So, yeah, follow along.
Off.
Yeah. Okay, so I cut this here to kind of make the whole thing more symmetrical. That kind of gives it that symmetrical look. I got a piece of cardboard in there. I made a piece. I don't know if you can see up in there, but that piece that goes along here, it's 3.5 inches, and I think it's going to need to be 4. And then I put this piece of pipe, I just put it in here to kind of give it that rolled look. Kind of hard to see with the tape, but kind of see where I'm going with this. I'm actually getting ready. We're going to pull the motor out. Michelle and I are going to get the motor out of it, and then I can work on this some more without it. I know this string that, I don't know if you can see it, but I got a piece of string across there to give me a reference point to work off of. So, all right, let me get the motor out of this thing and then go from there. Hey guys. So, all right, so first of all, let's get a light here. So, I don't know how much you can see, but I made that first piece that goes across the top. That is welded here. Not good booger welds, but anyway. This is 4 inches. So this is 4 inches all the way across. That gave me my starting point. Now I've been kind of mocking up a piece here, and that's the preliminary, because I don't know what I'm doing over here yet. This is all going to get built, and this I think I'm going to take and make this on an angle. So this is going to come in on sort of an angle or a small curve and then straight. So, but I think I can make that first piece of metal and put that in, and then, because that'll give me my arch, and that's what I was really concerned about. So, let me lay this out and see what I got. Alright guys, so I know I haven't filmed a bunch, but you notice that this piece here is tacked in, that top piece. Now the wall, or the back of the firewall, which is 4 inches back, is now in and just tacked. And then this side here, this piece is, well, I started tacking it and I kept tacking it and I forgot that I was just tacking it. So I guess I welded a little bit more than whatever. I'm a hack. So I still got to cut the trans tunnel back and figure out how to kind of make that all work. But this side, I want to, again, mock this up. Once I get this all mocked up, this is not attached to this piece. It's just attached up here. This will get marked and then cut out so this can weld. There's no overhang. And the same thing on this side here. So we're going to put the motor back in the car and start working on this. I don't know how far I'm going to go with this. I may just finally go ahead and put out a video because it's been like forever, but haven't really had much to show. So it's been kind of one of them things. So we're going to take that and put it back in here and figure out how this is all got to fit and what needs to go around this, and then figure out for the clutch linkage. But that might be a separate video. So I may just get the motor back in this and then end this video so I can finally put something out. Not that anybody really cares, but I figured I'd do it anyway. So if that's going to be the case, then yeah, I'll bring you back when I get the motor back in the car. Well, as you can see, we've got the engine back in it for the umpteenth time. We got more than enough clearance on this side. But if we walk around over here, you can see that we're a little bit on the tight side. So I think I kind of figured out what I want to do here, but that's going to get a little involved. So what I'm going to do is finally finish this video up, and my helper helping so much over there. But I think I'm going to get this video finished up and get this out, and then I'm going to go back to building this side here, and that'll be that. So hey, thanks for anybody that watched this. Sorry it took so long to put a video out. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas to everybody, and we'll see you on the next one when I make some progress. I'm hoping I'll pull the engine out a little bit later. I'll build that, or start figuring out what I need to do, and then we'll go from there. Okay, see you soon. Peace.